Okay guys, welcome back for the new video. We have some more question on the sheet which is given mensuration. Question number 2, age. Again we are talking about some word problems. In this question, if you look at here, we are given a square is inscribed in a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Find the area of the square, the area of the shaded. So this is only the shaded part. It means that we need to find, this is the shaded part only, this is the shaded, but we need to find the area here. So we're given the radius which is 7 centimeters. So from center to the circle is called the radius. Either we go move this side, either here, anywhere, but I'm just taking the corner of the square because easily I can get the value of this one. So it is a 7, or it is the 7 here, so it becomes the complete is the diameter of the circle here. Sorry. Now we are given this is the square, this is the x, and this is x because we don't know what the value of the side of the square given here, so that's why we use here x and x here. Now the area of the square, we know that the area of the square means side times side, but the point is we no need to find the area of it, but the question is we need to first find the x value. How can you find the x value? So if you look at here, this complete length is becomes the hypotenuse because it's a right angle triangle. So short side squares plus them and make them equal the hypotenuse. So this becomes the Pythagoras theorem. So we use x square equal 7 plus 7, which is equal 14. The complete length is 14. So x square plus x square give you 14 square. Simplify for x, you will find 99.9 centimeter. So 196 divided by 2, and you will find 98. Now because we need to find the x value, so it's x square just divided by take a square root of both sides. So take the square root of 98, you find 9.9 centimeter. So this is the x value. It means we find the length of the square of here. So now we need to find actually the shaded area. Either you can go for the complete circle and then find the square area, then minus it, you find the shaded area of all these four parts, but we need specifically we need to find only one part of this wasted sheet in the circle here. So that's why we use the shaded area of the circle, because the circle is the bigger one. So bigger minus the smaller shape, you will find the area of the required shape. But because there are four left part, so we need to find only one of them. So that's why we divided by 4 of the given formula. So pi r square, sorry, it is pi r square minus, sorry, it is pi r square, which is area shaded. Yes, we should minus here. We should minus here. So 3.142 times r equals 7. So times 7 square, 153 minus 98, which give you 55.98. okay, so we should minus, sorry for here, we should minus it, and which becomes this is the wrong, we should minus it, and 90, which becomes 55.958 divided by 4. So answer is divided by 4, 13.98, means approximately 14 centimeter square, because area. Sorry, this is the mistake. We should minus it. It's I added by mistakenly. So this is the correct answer, which is 14 centimeter square. Now I part here, the semicircle and the isosceles triangle have the same base AB and the same area. It means the same base and the same area. Find the angle X. We need to find this angle, either this one, because the same in isosceles triangle these two lengths are equal. Okay, so he said that area of the triangle and area of the circle, they are same. Okay, now we need to find out, because the area of the circle, they have the same base actually. It means AB this one and AB this one, they are equal. So if I cut the part, if I draw the perpendicular on AB, it becomes a vertical height which is H. So it becomes right angle here. So this is half of AB and this is also half of AB. So we know the area of the triangle, base time height divided by 2 equal the it's a semicircle, so pi r squared divided by 2 here. Okay, now substitute this is half, because it's a semicircle, pi r square. Okay, now we know that the base is what, AB. This is the complete length, is AB divided by 2 is in the formula, H given here, this H just replace. So this is AB from here to here, the complete length, equal half pi. So r equal half of AB, because AB is the diameter of the given shape. So if you cut here, so it becomes half of AB. So r replaced by AB, it becomes AB over 2 the whole square. If you simplify this multiplication division, when you transfer, it becomes multiplication. So 2 comes here, this 2 cancel here. Or if you have same division sign in the denominator, same number, so you can rather use shift here and there, so you directly cancel them. So that's why you cancel directly here. So we left AB times H equal pi times AB square, and 2 square equal 4. So this AB cancel with this AB, because there are two AB, so one AB left from here. So pi times AB over 4, so this is the value of H, because this cancel from H. Now we need to find the angle. So angle equal opposite over opposite over adjacent, opposite over adjacent. So this is tan, opposite over adjacent. The opposite, this is opposite, which is equal pi times AB over 4. So this is the opposite value. Now simplify. So this AB cancel with this one, and 2 cancel with 4, it becomes 2. So what left here? Pi over 2 left here, because only all the cancels except pi and 2. So we left 10 inverse. So put directly 10 inverse pi divided by 2. Don't take the value of 3.142 here, because it's given us the pi value here. So directly put the value here. Shift 10, and then shift the pi button here. This is the pi button, this is the pi button, shift pi and press here. You find here the pi value divided by we are given divided by 2. So press equal, you find the answer 57.5. 57.5 degrees. So 57.5 degrees. So this is the answer for this, because he said find the angle of X. Okay, so we have the last question. This is the this question on the page 7. So the last page is on page 8. This is the question. We are given this is the J part, and this is the last question, which is on the page 8. We are given the big circle, and there is a small 4 circles we are given inside of the big circle. He said that the large circle has the radius 10. So it means the large circle has the radius 10. So from center to the circle anywhere, so it is 10. Okay, the total from here to here, it is 10. So find the radius of the large circle which will fit in the middle. So we need to find that radius about the large circle which can fit here inside of these 4 circles. Inside of these 4 circles, we need to find the radius of that. Okay, now as we are given the radius is 10 centimeter, and it becomes the diameter, which is 20 centimeter. Okay, this is the 20 centimeter. So I point the 4 points on the circle. Either anywhere you can move, either this side, make a right angle triangle. I join them. I know that from this circle to this circle, it's a radius which is equal r, and from here to here it becomes r. The complete is 1r equal 2r, and the complete here the same here, from here to here r, and from here to here is r. So if you complete them 1r, it becomes 2r. So if you look at here, it becomes right angle triangle. So this is the in front of right angle, this is called the Pythagoras. So from A to B, the complete length is the Pythagoras of this right angle triangle. So we need to find AB. First we find the AB value. So AB equal 2r square. So 1r equal 2r, because the Pythagoras theorem is the hypotenuse equal length 1 square plus length 2 square, and then take a square root, it becomes the hypotenuse value. Now the length 1 equal 2r, length 2 also 2r, simplify them, you find 8r square. If you simplify, you will get AB equal 2 square root 2 r. Now now we need to find the value of r, because we need to find the radius of this value to find AB, because basically we need to find the diameter, the radius of the circle which can fit easily between these four circles. Okay, now first of all, because if you look at here, from here to here we found 2 square root 2 r from A to B, but the complete length, if you look at here, the complete length is what? Is the diameter, because 10 from here to here is the 10, and from here to 10 plus 10 equal 20. So the complete length equal 20. So r plus AB plus r. So this is AB, this is AB plus r give you what? 20. So AB equal what? We found AB 2 square root 2 r. So this is the AB value, plus 1r equal 2r equal 20, because the total diameter is 20. So divided by 2 to make it more simply. So 2 cancelled by 2, it becomes 2 square root r, and 2 cancelled by 2, it becomes r. 10 20 cancelled by 2, it becomes 10. Okay, now simplify for r is a common between, take outside. So what left? Square root of 2 plus 1 equal 10. So this is multiplication, when you transfer it becomes a division. So 10 over square root 2 plus 1 equal, simplify it, 4.1. So this is 4.1 centimeter. This is the radius of the, this is the r value. It's not radius actually, this is the r value. Okay, now okay, this is the radius of this circle, the small circle. This is the radius of the small circles inside these one, but I need the radius of this circle, the small one. Okay, so this is the radius of the four small circle inside the big circles. Now we need to find this circle. Okay, we are given, this is AB, this is the complete length, this is complete length, which is AB, complete length, this one is complete length AB, which is equal, we found here, which is equal 2 square root r, 2 square root r, which is equal to square root 2 r. So how can you find the value? So this, if we consider this is the diameter from here to here, the complete length AB, from AB, this r and this r, if I take away, so we left only this part. Okay, from AB, I'm repeating, from AB, if I remove from here to here and from here to here, so I will get this part. So it equal D. So we know the AB minus r minus r. So AB equal 2 square root 2r minus 1 equal 2r. Okay, so r we found here 4.1, replace r by 4.1, simplify, then you find the diameter equal 3.4. So we found the diameter of this circle is 3.4. The diameter say 3.4, but 3.4. But we need to find the radius of the smaller circle. So divided by 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2 both side. So you find the r equal 1.7 centimeter, which is the required radius of the given circle, this small circle, which is the required radius of this small circle, which is r. Hope you will get this video helpful for the sheet. If you like this video, So please do like and subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you very much.